In 1925, a train traveling from Paris to Lyon vanished mid-journey, creating chaos among travelers and authorities alike. Eyewitnesses reported hearing strange noises before the disappearance, heightening the mystery surrounding the incident. Despite extensive searches, no trace of the train or its 120 passengers was ever found, leading to wild speculation about its fate. Some believe it was caught in a supernatural event, while others argue for a more plausible explanation, like a cover-up. Decades later, the story remains an enigma, igniting the imaginations of enthusiasts and skeptics.